That's a reenactment.
Knock, knock. No one's home. I'll just leave them here. Oh, here's the neighbor. I can't leave these birds here? Where do I have to take them? To Bodega Bay? Okay. How do I get to Bodega Bay? Go over there, and then you'll see a house, and then you go over there. Okay. Okay, I'm here. Where is it? Oh, he's out over there. Where? You have to take this boat. Where? Yeah. Over there. Okay. Okay, this must be the place. I'll just go inside. Okay, I'm gonna put these birds here and go. Hey, we found this girl. She got hit in the head with a bird. With a bird? With a bird.
A gull.
Are you okay? I'm really in love with you. I brought these birds here. I know. Will you help stay with my mom? She's fucking crazy. My husband's dead. What the fuck's going on? What was that? It's a dead bird. Let's have a party tomorrow. Yay! It's her birthday. Inside, inside. That was a close one. Let's stand by the chimney. Sheriff, there's got to be something you can do. Those birds broke the law, but I don't like them. What am I going to do? Mom, go see Dad. Okay, bye. That pretty much catches us up.
That's intermission.
I don't know if that was 5 minutes, but you guys get the gist of it.
That was almost as long as the movie.
So, I hope that catches us up. We'll take a break before we go into